What is up, guys? Today we have a really huge review of the huge power bank, which is 60 mAh from 60,000 mAh from Hoco brand, and the price of it is around $60. Depends on where you're located. 60 up to 70, and it's actually really huge, intelligent. 100 watt is here, flashlight and desktop lamp is included. What they advertise is high performance charging protection, digital display, fast charging option, and with a built-in lab. Also, you have this QR code, so you can check it out on the Hoco website, where it's authentic or no. Some brief instructions. The box is huge. You see how it looks like. 100 watt PD here. Also discharge protection, overload protection, short circuit protection, overcurrent protection, over voltage and overcharge protection, all included here. And actually 5 outputs. It's a ultra large battery capacity, smart notification, so many functions here, and from all the side you can see how it looks like. Actually, the price is really nice, so let's open it up and check it out how it looks like. So firstly, let's start from the first type of protection, usually Chinese brand, but Hoco is actually not just regular Chinese brand. It's quite well known, especially for power banks, chargers, so the quality is actually quite nice. And let's open it up. Okay. All right. Quite hard to open, and it's actually quite heavy. From left and right you also have some protection here. So I have this thing here. One side, second side. And finally open it up. 600 per thousand, so the package is quite good. As you see, the power bank is really huge. Here you have the Type-C, Type-C, just regular cable, not bad, not good, very normal. Then you have some manual here in many languages, how to connect it, and this huge power bank itself. So as you see, let's put everything aside. So you have some sort of, it's quite heavy, have some sort of leather handle. Actually, the quality is not bad. The quality of plastic is also good. So quick charge 3.0, PD 100 watt and 22.5 watt compatibility. 60,000 mAh here. So from this side you can see the models BD160, 222 watt, and it's actually rated capacity is 32,000 mAh. So for the input, the Type-C port supports, here you see it here, all these inputs, and actually I will read just the key one. USB-C port supports up to 100 watt, USB-A supports up to 22.5 watt, USB-A 3 is just 5 watt, 2.1 ampere, and another USB-C is also supports, same 100 watt, PPS 3.3 also one of the ports. Okay, it's actually also indicated here, so 100 watt USB-C, 22.5 it's USB-A1, USB-A2, USB-A3 is just a light version. Let's enable it. You see the watts, you see the voltage, you see the watts here, and the charging. Need to hold. Okay, so here we have one type of light. Then you hold 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, just turn on, turn off. How to change it? Maybe twice. Oh yeah, here we have. Click twice, so you have 2 flashlights. Let's try to keep only one, so this one. This you click twice, this you hold for that light. Actually, let me disable. It's not that huge lightning, but at least you have something, and the flashlight actually, as you see, it's really minor, but it's just additional options that you have on this power bank, so you don't necessarily need to use it. From the on the bottom you have this rubber here, and the weight is, I don't know, it's more than 1 kilo definitely. I guess it's 1.5, so it's really heavy. And for the usage itself, it's quite nice. You can input output on both of those ports, USB-C 1, USB-C 2, also 3 USB-A, here just nothing, and always you have these indicators here what to do. Alright, so let's test me with my laptop. Let's try to charge something. Firstly, let's charge my phone. I have a Samsung phone, just connected. Okay, so like this you can see how it will look like. That's my phone here. Connected. So as you see, fast charging indicator is appear. And I also have here fast charging. So it's actually 25, 26, 30 watt receiving my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let's try to connect something else. So I also got my laptop here, Dell laptop, quite old school, 65 watt here. And I got this Type-C cable to charge it. So actually let's connect it to the charger. Let's connect it to Type-C 2 port. And let's start the laptop and check it out, how it looks like. So actually 19 watts is here. This phone is charging as well. So only 30 watts for now. But let me see whether the laptop is charging. Let's disconnect the phone for now, just to see. 30 watt, 20 volts. Actually not that huge, but fast charging option is available. The laptop actually is charging here. So the battery is fully charged and I'm not loaded. That's why maybe the wattage is like this, as you see here, the charging. Let me try to show you. Okay, so you see here is charging. I disattach it, not charging, and charging. And here you see 17, 23 watts, actually 32, getting more and more. Let's try to load it somehow, add some brightness and try to load with some more heavy task, let's say. Let's do some speed test here. So let's connect the phone to PD first port. So laptop is charging now. Phone is super fast charging as well. You see fast charging, 31 watt, 26, 20 volts. So I'm not sure whether it's getting more than this, but it's charging both devices. So let's connect the device number 3. The power bank here. Let's charge the power bank from using the USB-A option. Here, connected. So USB-A power bank connected. I don't know what's it showing here. Actually, I don't think it's 13 watt as it's charging 3 devices simultaneously. So I don't think this number here is really correct. So I guess it's only for one device. This is wattage showing, not for all the, because you see actually let's try one more time. Let's try to connect to other USB ports just to make estimation. Okay, so I don't know why it's not connecting fully. Okay, so okay, power bank is, it's actually got more than power bank is charging here. Phone is charging. Laptop doesn't work now. Let's try again. Disconnected, reconnected. So on the third device, laptop stops charging, and you see fast charge disappeared. Okay, fast charge appeared. Phone is charging. This one is charging. Laptop doesn't work now, and it's showing 4 watt here. So actually, as you see, when 3 devices connected, you may have some issue, and it's actually quite strange. Okay, let me disconnect the phone. Phone disconnected. Laptop is not charging now. When I connect USB-A here, so it's stop charging, which is quite strange. And the power bank is charging, but laptop is not charging. Disconnect the power bank. Okay, now actually everything's working, as I see. But this disappears, the fast charge, but laptop is charging, phone is charging, okay, fast charge appear, and power bank is charging. So actually everything's work. It depends how you connect it, which way, but this fast charging appear and disappear, but actually all of them is working fine. And let's now try to charge the laptop itself, the power bank itself. Okay, here I have the Messenger charger, so let's plug it in and test it out as well. We've got this charging here. Let's disconnect the port, and I will move it here a bit, and let's charge it now with a 100 watt charger. So it's charging, as you see. The phone I disconnected. Let's try the laptop. Where is it charging? So as you see, simultaneously the laptop is charging, the power bank is charging, and this power bank charging as well. Only this disappear from time to time, the fast charging option, but it's working well, charging well, and actually high quality for its price. I think it's one of the best option for this 100 watt for 60,000 mAh. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.